Revolutionizing pharma, top use cases for video surveillance as a service. In pharmaceuticals, precision isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. Every vial, every batch, every movement must be traceable, compliant, and secure. But what happens when traditional surveillance can't keep up with modern production demands or compliance standards? Enter XcellHost's XcellCam Cloud, a cloud-powered surveillance platform designed to safeguard pharma operations end-to-end. The Pharma Surveillance Challenge. In a pharmaceutical ecosystem, surveillance isn't about crime prevention alone, it's about process protection. Manufacturing, packaging, cold chain logistics, and lab research all demand constant monitoring and data integrity. Yet, legacy CCTV systems struggle with uptime, audit trails, and data security, all critical for FDA, WHO GMP, and CDSCO compliance. Cloud Intelligence for Pharma Security. XcellCam Cloud is a video surveillance as a service (VSaaS) platform by XcellHost, purpose-built for regulated industries like pharmaceuticals. It replaces outdated DVR/NVR systems with secure, AI-powered, cloud-native surveillance. From a single dashboard, QA teams, security officers, and compliance managers can view every site, every process, in real time with audit-ready documentation. Core features and capabilities for pharma. Let's explore how XcellCam Cloud strengthens pharmaceutical operations across the value chain. GMP compliance and audit readiness. Every video feed is automatically logged, time-stamped, and archived, ensuring compliance with GMP, US FDA 21 CFR Part 11, and audit requirements. Process monitoring and quality assurance. AI-based detection monitors assembly lines for irregularities like contamination, improper labeling, or unauthorized access. Supervisors receive real-time alerts for deviations, ensuring corrective action before quality is compromised. Secure R&D and laboratory environments. In R&D labs, XcellCam Cloud integrates with access control and face authentication to protect sensitive IP and prevent unauthorized entry. All footage is encrypted and stored in compliance with pharma data integrity norms. Warehouse and cold chain surveillance. From raw materials to finished drugs, XcellCam Cloud monitors warehouse conditions, packaging zones, and even temperature-sensitive areas in real time. AI flags unusual motion or temperature deviations, safeguarding product stability and patient safety. Multi-site visibility for global operations. For pharma giants with manufacturing across cities or countries, multi-site cloud visibility enables centralized monitoring and governance. Whether it's a lab in Hyderabad or a plant in Pune, every feed connects securely to the same cloud network. GMP and audit trail management. A pharmaceutical manufacturer uses XcellCam Cloud to maintain 24/7 visual audit trails, cutting compliance report preparation time by 60%. Secure R&D lab surveillance. An R&D lab integrates facial recognition with XcellCam Cloud to monitor sensitive experiments and ensure authorized-only access. Warehouse theft prevention and cold storage monitoring. A logistics partner leverages AI-based alerts to detect unusual movement in cold rooms, saving millions in product loss. Production line QA automation. AI-assisted visual inspection detects packaging inconsistencies, improving overall equipment efficiency, OE, and batch accuracy. Security and compliance advantages. Built on XcellHost's enterprise-grade cloud, XcellCam Cloud provides multi-layer security, AES, 256 encryption, and redundancy. It's compliant with ISO 27001, HIPAA, and GDPR, ensuring pharma-grade data protection. Scalable, interoperable, and future-ready, XcellCam Cloud is designed for the regulated world of life sciences. The future of smart pharma surveillance. As pharma embraces Industry 4.0, surveillance becomes more than security, it becomes operational intelligence. Because in healthcare, every frame matters. Want to learn more? Visit our website.